Got another cool feature for you guys. Check this one out. And we got the man himself, the tuner, the guy.
Fine, you?
Mr. Ruan. How are you, buddy?
Fine, you sure?
Good man, good man. Tell me, what's happening here? Take us through something. What's happening?
Yeah, it's my dad's car.
Okay.
So it's come a long time.
Okay.
About more than 20 years. Comes with us.
Okay.
Yeah, so he's bought the receipt. No, it's not other 3 GTEs in the country.
Yes.
So one of the latest there is.
Okay.
So yeah, got forged pistons,
Okay.
H-beam rods.
Okay.
And got airpiece in the head and in the main caps, the crank. Yeah, and the head is done. Cut cams. Yeah, my dad custom built the intake valve and the manifold.
Nice, nice.
And we're running the PSR 6870.
Awesome, awesome.
Working very nice for us.
And then tell me, horsepower-wise, what was the horsepower like?
Yeah, we didn't dyno it yet with the new turbo, but with the old turbo, it went 542 at Marius full boost dyno.
Nice.
But if you check the injector duty cycle now, you must give it way more fuel. So yeah,
of course, makes sense. More air.
It will definitely make a nice amount of power.
Okay, let's take a look inside the car, the cockpit. Awesome, awesome.
Yeah. We're still running normal synchro BMW gearbox.
Okay.
But yeah, we on the limit now of it. It's the third one for the week, so yeah.
Oh damn.
Fingers crossed.
Oh damn. And ECU?
Yeah, Fueltech 550.
Okay, and you do the tuning self, huh?
Yeah, once I do the tuning self, Marius tuned the car and everything on the dyno. I just check
Shout
all
out
the stuff
to Marius,
at the barn, check everything is fine, but Marius tunes the car.
Nah, nice man, nice man. But I think most important, would you say the car is consistent going A to B, besides the gearbox, of course?
Yeah, no, very consistent. We had a few 9-second passes.
Nice.
The engine is now running for 2 years unopened.
Nice,
so
nice.
We're very happy with the car. No problems really.
Nah, awesome.
Now,
so what's the PB? What's the goal? What's your plan? What numbers would you guys like to see?
Oh, when my dad started building the car, he just wanted to run a 9-second. But yeah, we all know it doesn't stay there when you first get there.
100%.
But yeah, the best so far is 97 to 35. But we had lots of wheel spin.
Nice.
But when we check the log, when we come back, the injectors was at 89%.
Sure.
Both of them, both.
Okay.
So yeah, the boost is now a bit down. So the best it went today was 9.9 so far.
Okay.
We're upping it a bit till where the fuel gets us.
Nah, nice man. No, wishing you guys, as you saw it, I'm with the man here, Ruan.
Thanks.
So, thanks guys. I can jump, yeah.
Thanks to all red light. Unfortunate red light. Right is like this.